Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Cashpro app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Cashpro is a digital banking platform developed by Bank of America to support businesses with treasury management, payments, and cash flow control. The app provides features such as account monitoring, real-time payment approvals, mobile check deposits, wire transfers, and advanced fraud protection. It also includes biometric login for security and customizable alerts for tracking financial activities. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate Cashpro for its enterprise-level security, simple navigation, and ability to handle global transactions on the go. Many businesses rely on it for its convenience in approving payments remotely and tracking balances across multiple accounts. The integration with Bank of America's broader treasury solutions makes it especially valuable for corporate users. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users report occasional login issues and lag during high-volume transaction periods. Since it's designed for business clients, the setup process can feel complex, and smaller companies may find it more advanced than necessary. In addition, certain features work best when paired with other Bank of America treasury services, which might limit independent usability. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the Cashpro app may be worth using if you're a business or corporate client in need of secure and mobile-friendly treasury management. It excels in security, global access, and advanced payment tools. However, if you run a smaller operation or prefer simpler banking apps, it might feel overwhelming or overly complex. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.